My head's cracked.
Okay, EMS is coming. Just sit down and wait, okay? Okay, stay seated.
Stay seated for what? I thought I was
Hey, stay seated.
Sit your ass down. Sit down. She's being more than nice to you, bro. Just sit down.
Hit his head. Don't be mean to him.
April 23, 2026. Officers responded to a physical altercation in an unconfirmed U.S. city. A tourist from New Hampshire sustained a scalp laceration in an unprovoked assault outside a nightlife venue.
You get your head split for trying to be the nice guy. Imagine, and if I did swing on him and beat his ass, I'd be in jail. That's sad.
What was
not necessarily. He hit us first.
Yeah, no, but I was trying to fucking all right, buddy, calm down. All I did was try and order a lift home for me and my buddy. We're from New Hampshire, so we're tourists. And I get my head split off the wall for being the nice guy.
Yeah.
But could you imagine if I thought that?
Hold on, one sec.
Just tell me. I'm living.
Well, I think we're out with him now. That's what I was listening to.
Because guess what? He's going to be paying for every bit of this bullshit.
Hold up.
You got him in custody?
What's that?
Can I go upstairs? You good?
Yeah, you're good. Thank you.
No.
I can't shake your hand. Yeah, just sit down. You need the water?
Do you have him in custody?
Here, just come over here.
Right?
No, just take a seat right
Please
here.
let me point him out for you.
Not right now. Just listen.
Dude,
I'm
my head's cracked.
okay. EMS is coming. Just sit down and wait, okay? Okay, I don't know what you're talking about.
He's just in shock.
Okay.
Arrested for what? I didn't do anything. It's all
Exactly, and you're not going to be arrested. But you need to calm down, okay? You don't want to put yourself in a position where you're going to be arrested, okay?
How much worse could I get
Okay,
right now? What do you like? How much worse could I get?
Okay, all right. Yeah, I think they're out with them at Sloppy's right now. Yeah.
Oh man, stop.
Dude, look at you, man. Why'd you fight? I didn't.
Why are you asking?
I didn't, dude. That's the thing. You got attacked, bro. Why don't you spray him, buddy?
Can you?
Honestly, go clean trash. I got no hair. No, go clean trash. Get the f out of here.
Dude, stop. Stop.
You know what? And honestly, f you too. I literally did nothing wrong.
Stop.
He's not trying to.
Yeah, but I'm pissed off. I literally, at one time, I don't.
Okay, well, it's fucking over,
And you
okay?
guys come back, oh no, I can't tell you where we're going to be custody.
The f. How old are you? 22?
He's not trying to.
Fuck out of here. I literally did nothing. Seriously. It's like, oh yeah, no, we're just gonna sit here. We go EMS, you get robbed $4,000. Alright.
Okay, we're in the middle of something. Come on, keep walking. You're making things worse. Go.
Unbelievable. Dude, I'm pissed off. I didn't tell you. I literally sat there and did nothing. I got my head split open. These guys are like, oh, I can't tell you this. You can't tell you that. You guys, are you kidding me, dude? Can you see why I'm pissed?
Yeah. Can I see why you're pissed at me? No.
No, I'm not pissed, but seriously.
Okay, well, I wouldn't be able to tell.
My fucking head split open for literally sitting like this. 200 yards up the road.
Is that my fault?
No, it's not your fault.
Okay, so what are you yelling at me for?
Because if it was the other way,
I called the ambulance for you.
Myself, I'd be in jail.
What are you talking about? You're making no sense. I called an ambulance for you, okay?
Yeah, that's like, it's a $4,000 ride, buddy.
Okay, you're just making up numbers. I've explained to you 3 times how this is going. No. And you just don't want to listen.
Is he in custody or no?
We have somebody in custody right now.
Red shorts?
I don't know. I'm here. I'm here with you right now.
Yeah, but no,
Hey, so he got in a fight. Some guy freaking pushed him up against the wall. He's bleeding pretty bad on the back of his head there.
I'm gonna move your hair around, okay? What happened?
Me and him were trying to get back.
You got blood on you?
Yeah, you asked what happened.
Calm
I'm pissed
down.
off.
Calm down.
If I went to defend myself.
All right, we're not there. We're not.
Listen.
I know, but it's just bullshit.
Okay,
Literally
look at me.
bullshit. This is a $4,000.
Hey! Look at me. Look at me.
$4,000.
Yoo-hoo.
I'm being stupid.
You're not stupid. Now look at me.
My father was
Let
a
me talk
firefighter
to you.
for 14 years. I know how it
9-8.
Alright. You fucking done for real? Alright, now focus. We're here to help you. You don't want our help? My turn to talk. I let you talk. My
9-8
turn.
back on
Are
one.
you ready? We're here to help you.
Just
You
stand
don't want
over
our
here
help?
for
That's
him.
absolutely
Just to
fine.
give him
You are in that
space to
right.
work. Yeah.
Can I look at your head and make sure your brain's not falling out?
Absolutely.
Alright, what happened? Without the arms, without everything, what happened?
Alright. So me and him, we left the club. We were ordering a Lyft or an Uber back to our hotel. We're from New Hampshire.
Great.
New Hampshire, we drove here. We got here a few days ago.
Okay.
This spaz came up to us. So what'd you say? Like we didn't even say anything. Nothing.
Did you get hit? Or
I
did
got hit.
Okay,
I got
with
my
what?
head smashed off the
You got
fucking
hit
building.
So that's
It's
what
like
happened.
bleeding out.
Alright, put your head down.
being an
Let me see.
asshole.
Literally, I did
I
nothing.
think on the window right here, like hit my head like right here, and he kind of hit his neck.
Yeah. Yeah.
And he's like lucky. I think he's lucky. He's kind of like alive, almost like like how it's seen in movies. Like
You're not actually
Yeah.
he like hit
Yeah.
his neck on the
Yeah.
ground.
Exactly.
He's a little bit tripped out a little bit. I don't think he's trying to be a dead.
No, I get it.
I feel like he's just like a little like confused a little bit.
Yeah.
And I just want to make sure he's okay.
No, absolutely, and that's why I called the ambulance right
He's
away.
being an asshole. I don't think he's really trying to. He really usually isn't.
And you got a brain in your
People
head.
are
You
assholes
keep
to me all
arguing.
day.
I
Man. It's
know.
all right. I
I
get
mean,
it.
you see how
You know,
I
I'm
get it. I
gushing
appreciate
blood.
it.
I'm gushing blood.
I know
Tell
you're
me
being a
where I'm
dickhead, but
bleeding
like,
from. That's
no,
all I
just
want
wanted
to
to make
know.
sure,
You got
like,
one
you know,
more
like,
chance,
how he's
because
really
you're
trying
yelling
to
at me.
Yeah.
Does
I
not
think
make
he's
me
just- I
want to
think
be
he's
here
a
doing
little
this right now.
confused.
Alright?
They're trying to help me.
So again, I'm going to explain to you. You're not actively bleeding. You're not gushing blood. You're going to be a pain in the ass and argue with us about you not wanting us here.
I think he just hit it. He hit his
No,
head
I'm just, I'm aggravated.
Okay, I understand, but it's not with me. I didn't bash your head in.
I'm not like
So
trying
chill.
to give you shit. I swear to God, I'm not.
Okay.
On my
So
life.
again, I asked, do you want to go with us to the hospital and get checked out?
No. As long as I'm not actively
You are
bleeding.
not actively bleeding. I cannot see where the wound is because you have long hair and I don't have a microscope. I can't see how big or small it is. Your options right now are, we can sign a refusal saying we
$4,000
can.
ride to the hospital.
Oh wait.
No, that's my option.
Your
Let her
options
talk.
right now.
$4,000.
Oh yeah, $4,000.
I
don't
get
know
in
how
that
much it is.
ambulance and I go to the office.
Do you want to go yes or no?
$3,000 to $4,000.
Do you want to go yes or no?
No.
Okay. Then we're gonna sign a refusal. All it's saying is we checked you out. You didn't want to come out with us. Stay
You
seated.
guys helped me out so
Sit down.
significantly.
Stay seated.
Stay seated for what? I thought I was
Hey,
Stay seated.
sit your ass down.
Why are you being mean to him like that?
Sit down. She's being more than nice to you, bro. Just sit down.
He hit his head. Don't be mean to him.
Okay.
I don't know who you are.
He doesn't know,
But don't talk to
He
me.
doesn't know what he's
Fuck
doing.
you.
Stop.
I don't
Step
want. Don't
back.
talk to me,
Step
please.
back.
Thank you.
big dog. Like literally, all I did was sit here against my back against the f***ing building, get my head cracked.
But she's being,
Didn't retaliate.
super
You
nice
imagine
to
if I retaliated? You imagine? You're gonna give me shit right now? Are you fucking serious? Go f off. F you. I've literally got a gushing f***ing head. I've been here for
No
2 or
reason.
3. Oh yeah, smiling. Make
Actually,
sure your
it's
f***ing body cam's not showing.
Actually, it's not gushing anymore.
Jesus Christ.
Nobody
Zach.
from the start of this, I told you, you're not in trouble.
Your buddy
From the
here.
start of
All
it.
I'm saying is, dude,
I don't see a blinking light. You get
being
I'm
super
tough.
nice to you.
Man, look at. Yeah, but
Just give
don't
me
come up
basic-
to me like
just
that,
basic
motherfucker. You.
Fuck
Go
you
take
too.
a lap.
I don't gotta go nowhere.
Like, what do you have to prove? You gonna be big dog on the block?
I have nothing
Go
to
f yourself.
Not to your little self, bro.
You're cool. F you. You're an asshole.
Okay.
Go spin a fucking lap.
I've been called worse.
Ooh.
My better.
Jesus Christ. You got your pants hiked up to your tits. F yourself. Come up here and act like a big dog.
You're a fed.
Yeah, it's crazy, isn't it?
fed?
They give it to anyone. No, he's not a fed. He's a police officer.
You talking to me? Yeah.
No, he's just trying to help.
Work on his
He's
block.
trying to
I
help
just
me.
wonder, bro.
Nothing but respect to you guys. My father was a firefighter for 14 years. I'm sorry if I came off the wrong way, but especially go f yourself. Go f yourself. Literally spin a f***ing lap. You can go f yourself. I hope that f***ing thing's recorded. And show it to your chief. F yourself. Especially. No, seriously. I mean, go f yourself. Get out of my sight. I'm talking to him.
I don't have to do anything you tell me. That's how this works.
You want to smash my head off the f***ing wall too?
Never said that.
Yeah, do it. Your camera's not recording. Go ahead. I know you want to. I can see it in your eyes.
It's already been done. So I don't need to.
But you know you're talking yourself into a problem.
I know.
No,
It's the way he f***ing talked. He came up to me.
It's right. His First Amendment right.
I literally, no, you know what, I'm bullshit, because for the one time I don't stick up for myself, I literally sit here, I get my head smashed off a f***ing brick wall. Imagine if I stuck up for myself, I'd be in for questioning, I'd have a f***ing court date. I live in New Hampshire. I'd have to come down here for a f***ing court date.
You just
Oh, that explains it. God, you smell like shit, get the f*** out of my sight. And that's a f***y ass beard too.
At least I can grow a full
Cuck
one.
ass.
I was gonna say.
At least I can grow. Yeah, okay. Dude, seriously. You want to smash my head? Go ahead. At this point, go ahead.
I don't want to do anything, but I can see
No,
how you talk to yourself.
no,
into
I'm
getting
serious.
your
I
head.
just really don't want to look at you. You smell like shit, for one. You're a f***ing bitch. For two, I've literally got no problem besides with you. Just the way you came up. Get the f*** out of my sight. Shooting steroids and shit. Looks like you've been walking on your forearms for the rest of your life.
Maybe you should hit the gym a little more. Sound jealous.
In the hotel or whatever.
No,
So
I'm gonna get a needle.
he's on listen. When he gets better, you guys get back to your hotel. Make sure you wash his hair. Shouldn't have to bleed. If it does, apply some pressure. It should stop again, just like you guys did a good job with that. Alright?
No, these are new body cam.
Listen, I got family in
These are new body cam.
all the
Okay? Listen to me.
Motorola, they blink. I know. I want his.
I
Listen,
just need you to
listen.
answer one question. Okay?
Listen.
Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Don't touch him.
You understand? Don't touch me.
Don't touch him.
I will f***ing take you to jail for touching me. Do not f***ing touch me.
I did.
You did. Don't touch him, okay?
You want to try your luck? You're f***ing with the right one. I'm telling you that right now. Keep this f***ing shit up. I'll take you on disorderly. You can understand me? She's trying to ask you questions, and you're f***ing worried about me. Answer her f***ing questions.
I'm just asking for your badge.
I told you we don't have f***ing badge numbers. Did I not?
Referring to you.
Huh?
Ask me.
Yeah, come over here. Come over here.
I need to ask you one question. And that's really like,
Come over here. Come over here. Let him speak.
would you like to press charges? We just gave you his name.
The officer gave this, but I just
Forget about my badge number, dude.
No, I'm just
Answer the question.
Hey,
Hey, come over here. Come over here. Let him.
He doesn't really. I think he's a
Okay,
little
we get it, and we've been more than patient with him. So
so aggravated. I'm sitting and not defending myself, which I might as well.
Okay. Would you like to press charges in reference to the incident in the red shirt? Okay, so we're gonna pull a case number, give them both refusal to prosecute, and then they can go about their business. Okay. So you can come with me. You can come with me. We'll give you a paper to sign, and you can go about your business. But if you keep it up, you're gonna go to jail for disorderly. Okay. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, I
don't know,
understand.
man.
Now I
All right, let's
understand.
go. Come on, let's go.
You guys are great.
All right, come on.
I'm not going. You keep that guy away from me.
No, don't stop him.
You can keep running your mouth and I'll take you to jail. You're the f***ing problem here. You're the f***ing problem. So keep running your mouth and I'll make it my business.
Okay, I'm sorry. My apologies. I'm sorry.
Under Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1,968. A brief investigatory detention is lawful, based on reasonable articulable suspicion. Requesting identification from parties at an active crime scene satisfies this standard. Commands to remain seated constitute a Fourth Amendment seizure. Such detention is permissible when brief and tied to an active investigation. Arrest threats for verbal behavior alone introduce First Amendment complications. A competent adult holds the legal right to refuse emergency medical treatment. Officers correctly called EMS and processed a formal refusal, satisfying the applicable duty of care standard. The bystander stated on camera that the recording device was inactive, implying a desired action constrained only by perceived surveillance. Combined with physical taunts, this language may constitute criminal threatening under applicable state statute. Intentional physical contact with an officer during lawful duty constitutes battery on a law enforcement officer in most U.S. jurisdictions. The officer's arrest warning for unauthorized touching was legally accurate The Police Executive Research Forum guidelines identify ego-driven language as a primary escalation risk factor. Officer language in this footage departs from professional standards and may increase civil liability exposure. Most law enforcement agencies assign badge numbers as a standard accountability mechanism. An on-camera denial that such numbers exist, if inaccurate, may violate department policy and applicable state statute. A public records request is the appropriate verification method. Under City of Houston v. Hill, 482 U.S., 451, 1,987, profane speech directed at police officers is generally protected under the First Amendment. A disorderly conduct charge requires overt threatening conduct, not offensive language alone. The arrest threat in this footage raises clear constitutional concerns under established precedent. All parties were charged with misdemeanor battery following surveillance review. Under the mutual combat doctrine, willing participants may face charges regardless of who initiated contact. A verbal denial of retaliation on camera does not override physical evidence to the contrary. Legal lessons from this incident. Verbal anger from a crime victim does not satisfy the fighting words threshold under established First Amendment precedent. Officers bear a legal obligation to provide accurate identification upon request. De-escalation language affects civil liability under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983, body-worn camera continuity protects both officers and civilians.